Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage Google passwords on Infinix Note 30. To do this, we'll need to open our Google Chrome. Here, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. You might also see the arrow. Click on that anyway and go for the settings. Now, when you scroll down, there's Password Manager, and make sure that Save Passwords is on, otherwise you won't be able to do it. Now we can go back to our browser and try to open any website that we can log into. We'll go for Facebook, and here enter the credentials for it. I'm gonna enter a random password, click on login, and after a while we'll get the pop-up with a save password. Click on that, save, and then we can head on to our settings. Inside, again, choose a password manager. On the bottom you'll see all of the passwords that you've saved. You can click on them anytime to change or edit the password or username. You can also click on this eye if you forgot the password, and it should appear, but you'll need to set up the lock screen on your device before that. If you want to remove the password, then click on this bin icon and delete it just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.